When you're looking for a property in Stamford Town Centre, you've normally got compromise, being on a busy road, not having off-road parking and not having a garden. This property is on one of Stamford's most quiet roads. It's got its own garage and garden. Come and have a look around. So we have this stunning cosy reception room here, right at the front of the property with this original fireplace. So this reception room is at the back of the property with doors leading to that beautiful garden that I'll show you in a second and the kitchen. You've also got this really interesting space under the stairs which has got this lovely original arch window. To me, this is screaming downstairs WC. There's already a washing machine in here, so we know we've got water, and I've checked at the back of the property and the stat pipe is there, so it'll be a really simple job to do. This room, to be honest, come on, it should be dressed as a dining room, opening out onto that beautiful garden. But I love this house, and every time I'm doing videos on properties, I'm always thinking, how would I live in it and how would I utilise the space? This is currently the kitchen leading out on this garden that I can't wait to show you in a second. But remember, we've got that garage, which is primed for conversion, so you could come in off the entrance hall, then this could be a perfect work from home space as a study, separate sun lounge, whatever you'd want it to be. Come and have a look at this garden, I can't wait to show you. Behind me was the kitchen, through there was the dining room, and behind this beautiful curved window was that area that you potentially put the downstairs WC. And now for the piece de resistance to this property, it's got to be the garage. Imagine your kitchen in here with bifolding doors out to this stunning courtyard garden. And what you would do is potentially bring access through from the hallway that's just the other side of this wall to bring access into here. I am always watching grand designs, and the man himself, Kevin McLeod, has got Fired Earth as his own brand. Well out of my price range, but always something that I aspired to own and put in my own property. This property has got a stunning Fired Earth bathroom with bath, toilet, sink and towel rail, and it's an absolute cracker. What I'm trying to get across in this room is the sheer size of it. This torture device apparently is a Pilates machine, and this client takes it with her everywhere. We've sold a few houses for her. But this room has plenty of room for a double bed. These wardrobes actually go back much further than this chimney breast, so you've got loads of extra storage there. Just imagine this room as a stunning spare bedroom, or even as your principal, as it's got a stunning ensuite behind this door. And to finish off upstairs, we've got two further bedrooms. This one is dual aspect and right at the end of the property, so lovely and quiet. And in here is bedroom 3. Could be a study, could be a spare bedroom, but a really good size room. I really hope you enjoyed that viewing of Vine Street right in the heart of Stamford. So if you'd like further details or to arrange a viewing, go to eastaway.co.uk, go to the property page where you can click book viewing. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.